So first we're going to remove this front kick plate on the Honda. Next step is to remove this lock cover. It pops off with a flathead screwdriver. Then we have this Phillips screw that has to come out. Now we're going to take this rocker panel cover off. There we go. And that reveals the mechanism that we have to get to. Next step is a 10mm socket. You just have to loosen it, you don't have to remove it. Slide the mechanism to the rear, pull it up, and you can see where the cable breaks. Disconnect the cable from the release mechanism. And what you need is right there. This is the normal break point of the cable. We're going to install these two plastic sleeves over it with the 4 screws. The arrows on the plastic sleeves go towards the front of the vehicle, both on the top and the bottom half. Snap that on the back slot. There's 3 grooves in that black plastic that goes in the back one. Top piece goes on. Tighten the 4 screws. And that's it. That piece is ready to go. There's no rings to put on that bend like some other types of repairs have. No hose clamps, no wire ties. We put the cable end back in there. Put that forked steel piece in the middle slot. Put the hole over the bolt head, slide it forward. Tighten the 10mm bolt. We install the rocker panel cover. And the last step is going to be the lock cover and the corner kick plate. And then you're all done.